Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jio Fiber account is active and the ONT has steady power. This matters because the modem needs provisioning from the provider. Once done, plug the WAN cable into the ONT and wait for the power and internet LEDs to stabilize. Next, connect a laptop via Ethernet or join the default SSID printed on the ONT with the password on the label. Make sure to note the model and default admin credentials before moving to configuration. Now you'll access the router interface. Type 192.168.29.1 into a browser or launch the Jio Home app and log in with the default admin credentials. Once inside, change the SSID to something recognizable and set a strong Wi-Fi password using WPA2 or WPA3 for security. This prevents unauthorized access. Then change the router admin password to a unique one. Ensure DHCP is enabled so devices get IPs automatically, and adjust the time zone to keep logs consistent. Finish by rebooting the ONT and router so new settings apply. Then reconnect your devices to the updated SSID and password. After that, run a quick speedtest to verify expected throughput and make sure the internet LED indicates connectivity. If something goes wrong, power cycle both ONT and router first, then inspect all cable connections and ensure the WAN cable is in the correct port. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your account and ONT serial number for provisioning checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.